Our next section will be the Explore icon, in the center bottom of your screen, looking like a map. Under the Explore icon, we have 8 icons. Spirituality, which contains the 6 major religions and their sacred texts. Travel throughout the world. Learning, such as TED Talks and college education. The major news channels. Health and fitness. Financial. Charitable donations and helpful services like Uber or grocery. Now we will look at our travel section. Push the travel icon to start the experience. Under travel, you will see 6 major continents and virtual tours. We'll select Europe. Here are the countries we have in Europe, and we'll touch Switzerland. Under this icon, you see 5 icons: sightseeing, food, music, a street view, and history. Each of these contain content unique to this country. We're going to select sightseeing. Under sightseeing, we're going to select a video. Let's choose one. How about Switzerland's great cities? The content is now loading on your screen, and you will see a video. This is a Rick Steves video, one of the most renowned travelers for travel books and travel channels. You're able to watch the entire video from start to finish. And when you're done, you can always return to our home screen by touching the red home button.